Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through setting an out-of-office message in Microsoft Teams. Start by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of Teams to open your personal menu. The menu drops down showing your current status and profile options. From the menu that appears, click Set Status Message to open the Status Message dialog box. A Set Status Message window opens with a text field at the top and duration options below. In the text field, type your out-of-office message. For this example, I'm typing out of office. Your message appears in the text field as you type and will display to anyone who views your profile or tries to contact you. Next, you'll see a drop-down that's currently set to Never. Click it to open the Clear Status Message After menu. The drop-down expands showing timing options, including 1 hour, 4 hours, today, this week, and custom date ranges. For this example, I'm selecting today, which will automatically clear your status at the end of the day. The drop-down closes, and today appears as your selected duration. Click the Done button at the bottom of the dialog to save your status, and your out-of-office message appears in your personal menu. The dialog closes and you're back at your Teams main view with your new status active. To remove your status early, click on the out-of-office text in your menu to reveal Edit and Delete icons. Then click the Delete icon to clear it immediately. The status disappears from your menu as soon as you confirm the deletion. Your status is now removed and your personal menu shows you're back to your regular availability. The time options in the Clear Status Message After dropdown include preset durations like today, this week, and custom date ranges, so you can pick whichever matches when you'll actually be back and let Teams handle the cleanup automatically. You can update or delete your status at any time by clicking on it in your profile menu, so if your plans change or you return earlier than expected, you're not locked into what you originally set. And that's how to set an out-of-office message in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.